it's April, and thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, we are doing the November 2024 Curated Bead Box unboxing. So, here we go. And here it is. It is in the jungle. And I can't help but think, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Some of you are probably too young for that. But anyway, I was actually kind of surprised because I assumed, I guess, it'd be November, you know, close to Christmas. It would be like more of a little bit Christmas theme. And it wasn't, but it's still pretty. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what we've got. All right, the first one is 10mm soft gold glass pearl beads in an 8-inch string. So that's probably these. It's 10mm soft gold glass pearl beads, 6-inch string. All right. Next, we have 10mm soft green glass pearl beads in an 8-inch string. So it's these soft green glass pearls and 8-inch string. They're 10mm. Then we have 8mm light brown crackle glass. I love crackle glass. Then we have 6mm. Then we have 10mm brown spot marble style glass beads in a 6-inch string. So 10mm brown spot marble style glass bead. Okay, yep, that's them. They may look black on camera, but they're a dark brown with I guess that's a white. Oh, I'm not even in frame, am I? I guess that's like a white spot. Next, we have 6mm grass green crackle glass bead, and it's a 16-inch string. So we've got more crackle glass. Then we have a 6mm khaki red swirl marble style glass bead, and it's a 10-inch string. So that's got to be that. Khaki red. Well, it's got red and khaki in it, but it doesn't say anything about the green. But that has to be it, so they're pretty. Alright, then we have 6mm black onyx gemstone bead and a 10-inch string. And these are matte. Then we have an approximately 1 ounce Savannah glass bead mix. Then we have 16mm black onyx gemstone beads. They're 3 beads. So it's a 16mm. Then we have 10x6mm gold metal spacer beads. And there should be 6. Here they are. Those are different. Then we have 6mm gold metal bead caps, approximately 30 caps. So that's these. Then we have 6mm bead. Oh, wait a minute. I just said that. It says 6mm gold metal bead caps, approximately 30, but this is spacer beads. It's not a bead cap. It doesn't really show on here what it is. Then we have a 60 by 50mm elephant and gold metal pendant. And this guy's cute. Look at that. Oops. But you could leave it as is, or you could go in there and wire wrap some small gems to that. Would be pretty. Okay, so there's my little elephant. And then with Curated Bead Box, they always give a kit to help you to get started, like the day that you get this. You've got ear wires and lobster clasp, and then you've got some crimp beads with beading wire. Then you have memory wire, and these are head pins, and you've got elastic band if you want to make like an elastic bracelet, and then you have jump rings. All right, so look at these over here. So that is it for the November 2024 Curated Bead Box. It is in the jungle. And if you watched my last video of Bargain Bead Box, then you'll know that I apologize. I did not get to do October. I have it. I didn't get to do the unboxing because I do actually have a ruptured disc. As of right now, they're not talking surgery. They want to wait and see. Hopefully let it heal on its own. I don't know if it's going to be possible, but anyway, I wanted to go ahead and jump on here and try to do November's. I hope to come back soon with some kind of jewelry, and then also with October's, even though I won't do an unboxing for them, because I'm sure you've seen, everybody from last month, if you, watch different people. So I'm not going to do the unboxing, but hopefully I can come back and actually make some jewelry with it, though. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this November 2024 unboxing of the Curated Bead Box in the jungle. And I cannot say that without thinking of that song, so maybe I've got you singing it. Anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye! Well, I forgot and was putting everything up and forgot to show you like a closer view, so I'm sorry. I'm keeping them in the bag, so I don't feel like getting them back out. But there's your closer view. And Curated Bead Box is like Bargain Bead Box. It's a Curated Bead Box company. And I paid $20 a month for this. That includes shipping and taxes. And they don't really tell the retail value on theirs, but I assure you it's probably more than 20 bucks. Anyway, I will put a code down in the description box below, so just click on that link and go through that code if you would like to go check them out. And that's it. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.